guys, I'm back at TJ Maxx. When I walked into the makeup section, there were 2 employees who were scanning all the products over there, and putting on my favorite red tags. And then they were taking the products away to another aisle and putting them over there. And I just went over and grabbed some of them so we can take a look, because there's a lady over there shopping. I don't want to bother her, so let's take a look at what I just stole from the lady. She can't browse these right now, but I'm going to return them, I swear, in like 2 minutes. Okay, this is Morphe bronzer contour. This one's in front of me. Was going for $6.99, is now $3. And yeah, today is clearance day. There's other people I follow on Instagram. They're saying that there's a ton of clearance coming out today. This is the Cover FX Cream Concealer. I'm not sure if this is a tube or a stick. $4.50. So yeah, that is very affordable. This one's in the shade Extra Light. It's a neutral. Very cool find. I don't even recall seeing these in the last month or two, but this might have been hiding, well, must have been hiding on the shelf for quite a bit for it to end up on clearance. And also back there was this, the Cover FX primer, the Water Cloud primer. This is going for $8, newly marked down. They make really nice primers. Another one that we found over there, all of the Brow Contour Pros. They have all of them. All of them are over there. These are now going for $8. Not sure what the original price was here, but these are pricey. Like at retail, I don't know, I think I remember these. How much were these? I don't know. I put the prices right down on the screen for what the retail prices were, but I remember this was pricey. And I did pick this up like about a month ago and have not used it. I know, that's not helpful. What kind of review is that? A lot of makeup came in during Christmas. I still need to get to using it all. And this is Revolution Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder Foundation. And just one of those was over on clearance. This is $3 in the shade P2 for that one. Also this cool little Benefit blush quad. Well, it's 3 blushes and a bronzer, but it's down to $13. It might have been $16.99 previously. And of course I put the retail right down here. These are like smaller size. They're not full size for the Benefit blushes. They're just like a little bit smaller. 4-in-1 cheek palette. The California Rocketeur Dandelion and Hula. That is a cool little find right there. From the new section, I found this, the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. People really rave about this. I did see this, I don't know, I guess in the past week. It's going for $9.99. And I think I'm going to try it out. This is in Fair 10, so seems to be my shade. And it is a little stick foundation, and they say the coverage is really good. So I think I'd use this for spot concealing, but I think I'm definitely going to pick this one up. Then this one's definitely a new find. This is the Milk Makeup highlighter. It's in the shade Mars, and this is a little like plastic compact inside of this little plasticky, what do you call it, plasticky box, going for $7.99. It's the holographic highlighting powder. It says that it's an eye and face highlighter. It's iridescent, and yeah, that seems pretty cool. $7.99 right here, TJ Maxx. Here's a little Milk lip product. I've been using this one in Rosebud, and it's a squeezy out lip glaze that comes in a little white tube. I really like this. I'm wearing a lot of lip just moisturizers because of the mask situation going on. This is $5.99. The shade is Nova. I just need to look up the shade and see if it's the one that I want. I think we've seen Nug, Nova, Rosebud. We've seen a bunch of them, but since I've been using this, I really have liked it a lot. So I think I want to get it in a non-pink shade, kind of just a more neutral shade. And here's a little Becca Hydra Mist. It's going for $5.99, and I'm replacing my Hydra Mist that I got about a year ago. It doesn't do the Hydra thing anymore, the water trick that it does. And I really like this because it has not talc. There's no talc in it. And I've been decluttering my talc powders. They're just kind of making my skin feel sensitive lately. So I'm going to pick up this mini, $5.99. And yeah, I really like this Becca Hydra Mist powder. Okay, I just came over to the clearance section again. And just found this guy. It is a MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. And this, oh, this says that there's 2 of them, the Extended Play Lash times 2. So you get 2 of these guys. Yeah, there's the lid for that. There's the top for that one. This is going for $12. Looks like it could have been an online return. Here's the price tag with the big numbers. Usually there's like a green line through it, but I've never seen this before, so I'm suspecting that it is an online return. But let me know if you use this, if it's good. It seems like a good deal for $12 for 2 full-size mascaras. Pretty good deal. Over here by the soaps, I found one of these little travel hand sanitizers. Only this one is the coolest one in the world because it's Baby Yoda. It's Baby Yoda. What? It's so cute. Mandalorian hand sanitizer with case. This one's going for $2.99. If you're looking for these guys, I found it in a little bin down here, and there's other hand sanitizers. And oh, look, a big one, a big Baby Yoda. Over here we have a full-size hand sanitizer, the Mandalorian. It's Baby Yoda. He's so cute. This is $3.99. It expires 2022, and it's 8 ounces of Baby Yoda goodness. Oh, it's so cute. I am now at a different TJ Maxx and checking out the clearance first off. And yeah, the Standing Ovation Mascara by Elizabeth Darling. This one's going for $6, and there's mostly false lashes here. Kiss Couture. This is the Twilight, and you get 4 pairs. Yep, 4, and that's going for $6. And let's see what else we have here. We do have a little bit of Elf, a little bit of Julep, and then down here, what do I spy? I spy a big hair Drybar set. So could that be on clearance? We have to check it out. I know it goes for $99, so I need to remove all that stuff and see what the deal is. So I just moved all that stuff, and there's like a broken L'Oreal blush. And the box has blush all over it, but guess what? It's $80. Can you believe that? This hair dryer is like $200? It's really expensive. This kit was going for $99.99, and at Sephora it goes for $200. And yeah, you get the full-size hair dryer, full-size product there. You get that brush and a mini Southern Belle. This is like the great find of the day. $80. Okay, still a couple of tables out here in TJ Maxx, and this is a kit from Stila, Ethereal Elements. Pretty sure this was holiday 2019. It's the Beauty Boss lip gloss set, so you get 6 lip glosses. This went for $60. You get Pink Slip, Synergy, Golden Parachute, Kitten, in the red, bonus baby. $60, and what is it going for? Going for $24.99 for 6 of them. That's a pretty good deal from Stila. So over here's a little clearance table that's set up right by the makeup. And we have the Anastasia Vaults. This is the purpley glitter one. This is the lip gloss one. So you get a ton of shades. This originally was $70. Then it was, maybe it was $39. Yeah, it was $39.99, and now it's $32 for the Anastasia lip gloss set. And we also have down here a whole bunch of the Real Techniques brushes. This is the limited edition Disco Glow set. And you get 5 brushes, 1 little handheld mirror, 1 little sponge. It says $48 value, so I don't know what the original retail was. These are usually less than that. And this is going for $10. $10 for basically 7 items in here. So that seems like a really, really good deal. And then down here, we have several more of these in case you're looking for them. Yeah, check the gift tables for sure. And over here we do have the Anastasia glitter kits, and this is 16. I think it might have been 20 beforehand. So yeah, these weren't put on sale for half price apparently. Some stores did half price on these. the day after Christmas, and I don't know, some stores excluded makeup from it. It just depended on whoever you got at the register. So I wasn't able to pick up any makeup for half price, but I did get some other things like a pajama set and a blanket and some snacks like popcorn, that kind of thing. So that was the luck that I had or did not have on December 26th when I went to TJ Maxx.